This is Araku, a quiet valley hidden deep inside the eastern Ghats, a place you don't just see, you feel it. At 3,200 feet above sea level, Araku rests between rolling clouds, forest-covered hills, and coffee fields stretching beyond the horizon. What makes this valley special is not just its landscapes, but the journey itself. A train route so beautiful, it cuts through 58 tunnels and endless green cliffs. But the real magic lies in the foggy mornings, the tribal warmth, and the silence of these mountains. And when the sun rises over this valley, you understand why people call it the hidden soul of Andhra Pradesh. Araku was one of those places on my bucket list that I kept dreaming about, year after year. And today, standing here, it finally feels complete.